61A, lecture number 21. Announcements. The ANTS project is due in 1 week, but you're meant to complete phase 1 today, phases 2 and 3 by next Tuesday. Those give you 2 checkpoints. You can also get an early submission bonus point by submitting everything next Thursday. Homework 6 is posted. It's also due next Thursday. Why are there 2 different assignments due on the same day? Well, we're trying to help you get ready for midterm 2, which is coming up in less than 2 weeks. Now remember that we do drop your lowest homework score in this course, so if this is just too much to get done by next Thursday, you might want to complete homework 6 later and just not get credit for it. That's fine, but I do recommend doing the homework 6 problems eventually and before you take midterm 2 because they're good practice for what you'll see on midterm 2. Midterm 2 covers all material through lecture 22, that's next Monday's lecture, and there are still 3 more lectures after that before midterm 2 happens, where we'll get to put together many of the ideas that we've seen in the course so far in various examples and review problems. And if that's not enough, you could also work on the completely optional CATS contest, which is due next Friday. Today's lecture brings together recursion and the object system by revisiting trees. You've already learned about trees, but this time we'll make a tree class and show that much of the code that you'd write is the same as when we use data abstraction. And we'll also introduce another recursively defined data type, the linked list.